Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BTCS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move here. And while the price did pull back here a little bit, I get that. From where the price was, though, going into today and where it closed, still a very nice move on the bull's part. So let's first start by talking about some areas of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? And that would be right there at 35 cents. You can see on several occasions today, the bears did try to press down through that level, right there. And then especially this late afternoon, a bunch of times right there. But to give credit where credit is due, bulls did a great job of holding strong. So 35 cents, definitely where the buyers seem to be hanging out right now. Don't get me wrong, though, if the price does fall below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But that is definitely, that shorter term level of support where ideally you would like to see the price hold strong there. In the event the price cannot hold strong and breaks down through it, next level of support at that point in time, down here around the 30-cent mark. So 35 cents, 30 cents, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, though, and looking at the big picture of things, maybe you're somebody that just says, Clay, I just care about the overall move, the move being defined as this right here. How do I gauge the health of that move? Well, that's where we can use the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to continue to move its way higher and higher. So simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line going forward, the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. Now, what about areas of resistance? Initial area of resistance is going to be right here at 45 cents. And, this is kind of like that first hurdle. I get it. The fun level to talk about is up there around 53 cents because, yeah, I'll fully admit, talking about testing previous highs, breaking new highs, that's definitely the fun stuff to talk about. But in many cases, as is the case here, there's usually an initial hurdle, initial bridge that needs to be crossed. And in this case, that initial hurdle right here around the 45-cent mark. But at the end of the day, from the big picture of things, as long as the price just keeps on building higher bases like it's been doing, then the chart will take care of itself. So I don't want to say that resistance levels don't matter, but in this case, I don't think they're really a top priority. Top priority is just simply keep on building higher bases, and as long as the bulls can do that, the chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.